So Mittens and I are here to talk about tea and coffee. If you have tea and coffee like a kettle, etc., and you have them out on your countertop all the time, but you don't like it, I've got a solution. And this is what I've done in my kitchen here. This is my kitchen, so you can see it's messy, it's not perfect, and it's not a show home at all. So Mittens and I, we have this cupboard here. Yes, Mittens. Okay, can we? Yeah, can we? I know you're so happy you got. Yes. So Mittens and I have this, and this is my tea drawer. And what I've done is I've put a plug in the back, or I had the electrician put a plug in the back. And then I have this pull-out drawer. And the pull-out drawer allows me to put the kettle, and I've got my velvetizer, and then I've got the tea, the coffee, the hot chocolate, different types of tea. So when I've got visitors in, I can just whip up a cup of tea, etc. When I need boiling water, I can do that. And then when it's finished and cooled off, I can just close it and put it away. So it's one of those that it's nice to be able to, yes, sweetheart, yes, this is one of your toys, but you don't play with it. So this is one of those hacks that when I had my last kitchen done, which was a small apartment, I always think about what is the best use of space, what do I want to be able to see, how much counter space. So I learned from that kitchen, and I really hated having the items that I don't use often on display. So I thought, well, I don't drink tea or coffee. I have herbal tea and sometimes hot water, but I'm not using the kettle on and off all day. So I want to put it away so it's there for guests, but not out. So that's why I put it in a little tea drawer available for me when I need to. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, then do click on that subscribe button. There's also a little bell button there that if you'd like to be notified when new videos come online. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.